I now yield 2 minutes to the gentlewoman from Oregon, Ms. Bonamici.
The gentlelady is recognized for 2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and thank you to Ranking Member Pallone for yielding. I rise to oppose the deceptively titled Do No Harm Act. Healthcare costs are about to skyrocket for millions of Americans across the country, but instead of solving that crisis, we're here with a bill that has politicians interfering in personal healthcare decisions and outrageously putting into law provisions that will essentially ban a type of healthcare that Republicans have decided they don't like. Personal healthcare decisions should be made by patients and providers, not by politicians. This bill attacks the rights of states by banning Medicaid from covering any medical care for transgender youth, and it would put discrimination into law because it would allow the exact same care for cisgender youth. You know, the history of gender-diverse people goes back to ancient cultures, and why this House majority is so obsessed with a very small group of vulnerable people baffles me. Transgender people deserve the same protections as everyone else, including the ability to access medically necessary care, and they certainly don't deserve this bill. Research shows that health insurance coverage for transgender people is affordable and cost-effective. This legislation is about discrimination, and we've seen this playbook time and time again. Republicans are fear-mongering about the trans community to divert attention from the fact that they have no real solution to make healthcare more affordable. Congress should be focused on fixing the expiring ACA subsidies, addressing the rising cost of healthcare, and addressing affordability issues, which is what I'm hearing about at home. We should not be working on this bill that would interfere in personal healthcare decisions that are between patients and their own healthcare providers. Mr. Speaker, this bill will cause, not prevent harm, and I urge my colleagues to reject it. I yield back.
The gentleman from New